Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to generate the Lorem Ipsum text or placeholder text in Canva. So this text is actually has no meaning at all. It doesn't belong to any particular language. It is just there to show you what a piece of text or text box is going to look like when the design is being populated by it. So the text is going to be useful to give you some context of the design, but it has no meaning overall. But anyway, how do you actually create a random Lorem Ipsum text like that? Well, there are multiple methods. My favorite option is just go to a website like lipsum.com where you can generate a Lorem Ipsum text. You could generate a few words, a few paragraphs, and it is free, and also has a lot of tools that allow you to create text like this. But you can also create the text directly in Canva, especially if you're using the premium version of Canva. Let me show you how. I have this design and I'm going to remove this text because I don't need that. And I want to add some random Lorem Ipsum. To do that, I'm going to just type Lorem Ipsum. So it's just very simple a way to tell AI that we want to create a Lorem Ipsum paragraph. And after that, you will see there's this option that says magic write. You want to select that and select continue writing. Oh, by the way, you can also use a custom prompt to generate a specific text that you want. It is possible, but for the sake of simplicity of this video, I'm going to just using the continue writing option. And AI will understand, oh, this person is trying to generate Lorem Ipsum text, so it will create a Lorem Ipsum text like that. And yeah, when it's done, you will see this is a very long list. This is actually a lot longer than I expected, but that's okay. We can click replace, and that text will be inserted into our document. If this is too long, don't worry, you can always modify the text later, and we can remove that. So we have this random Lorem Ipsum text that again doesn't mean anything, but that's how you can create it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.